Mamaya na lang. Ilipat ko. Pa nag-drift. Wait lang.
Kaya pa kahapon ito.
Ay, traffic. Stop over. Hi, video.
Pag itatapat ko si Joe, wala na.
Ha?
Pag itatapat ko to, wala na. Ito na talaga.
Baka may mahuli tayong... May baka mahuli tayong kidnapan dito.
Para akin, murder. Brutal.
Gawa tayo ng music video. Calming living.
Sino lang?
Hey, I just met you. It's crazy. Dude, may kasama ka rin ha? May kasama ka? Ito yung sa potential.
Galaxy Ace to. Hello. Busy ako. Busy? Galaxy Ace to. Video may sarili.
Hi, video.
Para man wala man nakasama na.
Nandito daw ako.
Siya yung taga-video.
Ayun po yung ano, yung ilog.
Yan na yung school.
Ayun yung school ni ano.
That one that like that. And then the Charba like, yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Oh, your school is so big.
Yes.
Many buildings.
Yes.
So, bakit hindi naman kami?
This is your park.
Yeah. Your shopping dyan. Your canteen? Yeah. There.
This is your CR, right? No, that one. No, not this one.
This is our gym.
This is your gym? And that's your swimming pool. That's their swimming pool. Swimming pool.
Oo, nasa kabila din yung swimming pool. No, it's not.
Not that.
They have accessories.
Yeah. Oh, there's your driver.
Oh, your swimming pool is taking Agos.
Yes. It's you.
It's color green.
You better focus here.
Yung swimming pool.
Okay, that's... Hey, there's so many people in your school. That's... Oh, that's your pool. Can you really?
Yeah, free food. This is where did you see it? Yung like ngayon lang.
Kailan lang yun?
Parang lupa na, pero ngayon parang na siyang lupa.
Videoan kasi report natin sa ano.
Oh, nandiyan pa mga pusos dati.
Hindi, yun, kakat na lang. Siyempre, pagpasok lang dito.
Sorry, na-transfer din yung sulit. Buti kasama kahit may estero malinis.
Oo, kahit mali. May amoy nga lang.
Eh, dito wala amoy kahit ba iba talaga.
Sabi ko may amoy eh.
So, yan talaga ipapakita. Lalo na pag kulo yan. Pero Girl Abunda. Girl Abunda. Marjorie. Saan ka kasi nag-usap? Tama yan. Tama yan. Wala ka pa
Eh, may nag-date po doon.
Aras ka pa. Sabay ka ba?
Meron. Hindi ko alam. Parang.
Anong pangalan mo sa Facebook?
Sabihin mo nga.
Monica.
Monica.
Dapat tiningin mo yung number, Noriel, para makinilig naman siya kay Tonte.